Hey you guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. All right, we're gonna do something very good today. We're gonna be cooking, and what we're cooking is seafood. Okay, I'm gonna show you something. Don't be alarmed, it is seafood, so you just never know. Let's see. Oh, look at that buddy. Oh, he looks pissed. Oh, he just don't know this is his last look. Look at that buddy over there. I mean, they're just actually chilling. Look at that. And look at them. Oh, gosh, yeah. Look at him. Look at there. He's going to rise to the occasion. Oh, buddy, you better hide. This is what he's saying. Alright, now to show you the ingredients off the chain. I have my celery. Okay, I have these ingredients for a reason. Celery is to calm down my lemon. Okay, and all of these spices that I'm fitting to use. The celery actually soak up those spices and kind of like puts it into a texture to where it's not that hot. But the way I like it hot. I have my infamous stinky onion here. Alright, that bad buddy is ready. Make sure you do leave the end on it, because once you drop it into that hot water, it will spread. So you don't want that. I have the vinegar to keep the meat tender and together. I have my garlic. Ooh, who loves garlic? I have that cut up and fine. I actually had a clove, and I just separated the clove and just used at least about 5 within the clove, and just cut them up real fine. I have that bad buddy here, that Zatarain shrimp and crab oil. You can't go wrong without it. Let's do the Creole seasoning. This is the great flavor. Shake on the flavor. It's got everything you need for your seafood. I have a little bit of salt here. I don't know if I may need it because these items are actually salty. So I have the crawfish shrimp and boil powder here by Louisiana, baby. Can't go wrong with that. It says, bring the taste of Louisiana home. You got that right. Got Miss Zatarain's cayenne pepper. Like I said, I do have the lemons. See this one, how this is cut? I'm actually going to squeeze that lemon into that boiling water and make that lemony pop of zest for those crawfish, baby. I got some meat tenderizer. You know what they do with that. It's just like steak, baby. Some parsley flakes, onion powder, and some garlic salt. Alright. Yes, those are the legs. And they look so good. So good. I see someone in there moving. He tricked the shit out of me. Oh, you bad buddy. Look at there. And I thought he was dead. Let's see how many else you got in there. Y'all thinking y'all tricking somebody like I want gonna come make a seat. Oh, he's a lucky one. Almost. See this? And I thought he was dead too. Look at that. Look at that. He's not dead. Son of a bitch. Look at this buddy here. You want them looking just like that, okay? If they are like limped over in any shape, form, or fashion, please throw them away just like them. Because if they're not alive and they're not fighting, that means they're dead. D-E-A-D. Okay, guys. I want to show you something. This here is all the dead stuff, okay? At least from what I can see, they are all dead. The crawfish is dead. The crab inside, I got two crab, and it's like a pound of crawfish that was dead. Now, dead stuff we do not eat, okay? We do not eat the dead stuff because one, it is unsanitary, okay? We are humans. We are not vultures. We don't eat dead products, okay? These buddies over here, this is how you want them, just like that. You see how you want to fight, kick, swing. Oh, wait a minute. Now I know he's playing tricks on me because he was just in there dancing a few minutes ago. But if If he's limp like this, throw him away. 3 crab. This is the female because of the belly. See how different the belly is? And this is the male. Look at the belly on that. Straight down. The female is more oval. The female have the oval so they can produce the eggs just like us. Do just a little bit. Go ahead and get that water cooking like you normally would. Okay. I'm going ahead and add in my garlic next. Garlic is in most of the seasonings that you use. Now, if you are allergic to garlic, I would not advise you to do that. Okay? With my celery, go ahead and get that in there because you can actually taste whatever spices you need because this here is pretty good stuff. That's why I like using it. Let's see. This is the Creole seasoning. Okay? You see, I do not measure. I go by look and taste. Going in with that meat tenderizer. Go ahead and do my parsley flakes. Put those in there. I'm going to go ahead and use the whole thing. Onion powder. I'm going to go ahead and get that in there. Garlic salt. Be careful with your garlic salt because you will use too much. And you already have garlic inside of the water already. Get those spices, baby. I like it hot. Real hot. The directions, okay? It does says shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, go ahead and use all of that. Every last bit of that. I know I'm going to have to use just a little bit of this. Not the whole bottle, just a little bit. And guys, when you do this inside your house, please make sure you open your windows because this is some strong ass shit. This and that powder alone is strong as hell. Stronger than a dog fart. Go on and, like I said, I'm going to go by taste and look. I'm not going by measurements. This is the powder that's going to make the miracle. Okay, you hear my wife? She's barking because it's some strong shit. I'll go ahead and squeeze that inside of the water. Don't go too far down because that thing will burn you, okay? Just squeeze that lemon really good. Just like you're doing lemonade. Bless you. Drop it in. Go ahead and drop that onion in. Vinegar is going to dilute some, but not all of the stench of the seasoning. We're going to put some beer in here, okay? Beer is the saturated fat for crab. Made that water foam. Okay? You need to look exactly like that. Here, babe. Take a swig. That all cook for about 2 minutes. Go ahead and stir it. Okay, with the snow crab legs, we may end up steaming these. I'm going to taste. Woo! And let's see exactly what ingredients that we need. I mean, you have to go by taste when you do things like very spicy. Because you don't only want to override whatever else you have with the spiciness. You want to actually taste all the ingredients that you have. Perfect. Drop in the crab first. He like he just dying and getting that pot, ain't he? Oh my God. See? You see how they act? Like some damn fools. That can be very big at some times, and then they can be very small, depending on the time of the season that they all are coming back to life. Because when it's really cold outside, you know, they kind of like demobilize. Don't get them too small because that'll be a waste of money. The time of cook is 8:49 p.m. Okay? So I'm actually just going to let that cook for at least 7 to 10 minutes. Cover that up for at least 5 minutes. Open the lid off of the crab and let the crab keep cooking. Now that I raised the lid on it, okay, I'm going to actually test one. And test the one, be cautious because it is very hot inside. Very hot, so be careful. And I'm going to just actually see the texture of the meat And if I can pull it out like that, oh, that's so good. Great. They are ready. I'm just gonna feel around and make sure that I got the loose legs before I drop the crawfish. Everything is out of there that needs to be out. That is the finished product. Okay, this is Tony's Shasharas. It's the Creole seasoning. Just gonna sprinkle just a little bit on these crab legs first. Don't be scared to put that seasoning on these crab legs. We like a lot. Ready to go. Red part down. Go ahead and curl the legs so they'll be in there even.
A whole lot of crawfish.
Whole lot of crawfish.
Suck the head out of them crawfish.
Suck the head out of the crawfish. Count down. My clock says 9:08. Just leave them in there for about a good 5 to 7 minutes. Okay. These are crawfish. These are not crab. They are actually smaller than the crab, and they don't take as much to cook. Okay, now that 5 to 7 minutes has passed. Let me put this there. Okay. Let's taste our crawfish. We're actually not tasting for the seasoning because it's always a catch to cooking these crawfish. A lot of people do not know, but I'm fitting to reveal the catch. So very hot. Cracking the crawfish open, let's look at the texture of it. This was actually a pretty good size crawfish to even test out. Looking for the, there it go. It's done. Once they pull out like that, it'll be tender to where the vein actually come out and the meat actually get tender like lobster. They're done. What we're gonna do is kill the fire, and then we're gonna do some ice and kill the cook. Turn the crab legs to actually get all the crab legs cooked. Just take our ice and just sit it right on top of the crawfish. And we're going to actually let our crawfish soak into the seasonings. That's the catch. Press it just a little bit so that the keel can go ahead and settle down into the pot. Let the steam evolve all of the ice so all the keel can go directly down to the bottom. To get flavor and desire, soaking is the key. We're going to actually let these soak for at least 20 to 25 minutes, and then I'm going to check them, okay? Okay. Taking the crab legs out of the pot. That's what we're working with, baby. Nice, steamy crab legs. Magnifical. Wow. I'm eating too fast. You see how the steam still rises even though you killed the cook with ice? They're still hot and ready. So taking hot. Tender meat. Oh, awesome.
Awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce. Alright guys, this is the finishing touches. We have our infamous crab. What's up? Crab legs. Baby, feel like she done tore them up. It's only like 2 clusters left when it was 4. And then we have the crawfish. Alright buddy. This is your last leg. Grab. Perfect salad here. With some butter, which I don't need it, but I like it. Salad and Catalina. Baby's talking about this dang on corn on the cob. I don't know yet. I don't know if I'm gonna eat it. It looks good though. It really does. So, that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it was informative, give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of these cook lessons, holla at your girl. Grab, 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 grab.